How's it going, friends? Shane with Modern Warrior Project, and in this video I'm going to share with you two things that I keep in my inch bag, but also that I use heavily in my travels in general, and I highly recommend you use these if you're not already. So, and I'll explain a little further. Basically, they're these little collapsible bags. So this one here I use a lot. I use it when I'm traveling. I carry in my normal travel, I carry a computer bag, and inside that computer bag, I keep this right here, which is this one's from REI. It doesn't have to be this particular one, but it's basically a little small, collapsible, packs in itself backpack. Comes in very handy. Same thing with the go bag. I keep it in my inch bag for the reason if I need to downsize my bag for some reason, or if I have a secondary individual that I want to help, or if I come across some stuff and I wanted to throw it in there and I don't have room in my bag, which I've already got packed pretty relatively stout for what's in there. I can fit some stuff, but this gives me a whole nother backpack. But moving on past the backpack, there's nothing real unique on that. If some of my friends see this video, I'm sure I'll catch some slack for it, but I use this a lot, and I make fun of people who wear these, but when I wear mine, you don't know I'm wearing it, so I don't have to suffer the torment. But this is a fanny pack. So there's no real cool way to say it. Well, they call it a waist pack, so I guess that's a little cooler way to say it. I think this one's from REI as well. Now this, yeah, it's REI. So this is an awesome thing to keep with you if you end up in an urban evasion situation. But I use it, I'll tell you how I use it more often than not, because I travel a good bit, and I travel a lot of times. I'm traveling overseas to non-American areas, and if I have my passport on me, for instance, that's something that I really don't want to lose or have lifted from me either. So this, I can snap this on and I can conceal it easily underneath my shirt, and you never even know it's there for the most part. And it allows me, I can have I have another one which is a little larger that I'll tend to use because I'm not normally carrying a firearm overseas, but I have one that's a little larger, and if I'm not wearing the appropriate gear, if I'm on the beach, I can have this thing on, and it actually has my pistol in it as well. But these come in so handy. You can keep whatever it is, and you've got it concealed, and it's attached to your body, so you're not going to lose it. It takes up very little space in your bag. I highly encourage getting these and use them if you don't. That's it. Pretty simple video, pretty direct to the point on what it is. But if you don't have these, I would recommend getting you some collapsible backpack, as well as waist pack. We'll use waist pack because it sounds a little more manly than fanny pack. Waist pack, and put those in your bug out bags. As well, there's a full line of these. I have quite a few larger size ones too, just in general, because I've become a bit of a collector. I'm such a fan of them. I don't have those in particular in any of those type of situations. But that is it for this video. Until next time, safe prepping.